All right, guys, Bill from BillsBoxBreaks.com. We're doing box number 37, 2015 Black and Gold 1 Boxer. Want to wish you guys good luck. And here we go. I'm going to put a full case, pick your team of Black and Gold 15 after this too. Denver won the Frozen Four. And we got Dez Bryant. Shadow box. That's at a 199 for the Cowboys. Jason Witten out of 99. This is 37. And we got Gronk at a 149. I'm finishing the PYT price list right now, so I'll have a freshie there. And out of 49 for the Raiders, Bo Jackson, Tim Brown, Amari Cooper, Derek Carr. We'll do a nice bounty hunt on that one. Probably some double bounties. Sammy Coates, gold mine out of 199 for the Steelers. That was a work day. And golden arms, Brett Favre. Out of 199. Did they win tonight? Carlos Hyde out of 199. Golden ground game relic. Nice. Cut a little bit of that. I got stuck in this Frozen Four. It was a good little game. They're bashing the hell out of each other. And Jameis Winston out of 199. Motherload triple relic. And let's take a look at our autos. First one, Ty Montgomery. Grand debut auto out of 99. And our last auto, nice one here at 25, Dwight Clark for the Niners, Gold Strike autograph. 13 out of 25. And that completes number 37. Niners had a nice little case there, or box there. And if you do like that Black and Gold, I'm going to have a full case, pick your team up momentarily. I'm going to finish up that PYT list, and I'll look at 5-star going off next, number 38.